This is Lily. Lily always waits her turn. This is Max. Max hates waiting for anything.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning. Hurry up. Bus is coming.
We still have a few minutes.
I don't like waiting around.
Let's line up nicely.
Out of my way. I'm getting on first.
Hey, I was here first.
Too slow. Better luck next time.
Max, that's not fair. Let him go first.
Fine. Fine. Whatever.
Good morning, Mr. Sam.
Good morning, Lily. Nice to see you.
Hurry up, driver. Let's move already.
A little patience helps, Max.
Yeah. Let's just go.
Can I sit here, please?
No way. This seat is for my bag.
Okay. I'll sit somewhere else.
Excuse me, is any seat free?
Not here. Sorry.
Please, take my seat, ma'am.
Thank you, sweet girl.
Hey, please stop kicking my seat.
It's just a little kick. Relax.
Max, please be quiet and still.
Okay. I'll stop.
Max, please pick that up.
It's just a small wrapper.
It can make the bus messy for everyone.
Fine. I'll pick it up later.
Thank you for keeping the bus clean, Lily.
Ha! Look at him, so clumsy.
That's embarrassing.
It's okay. Let me help you.
Thanks, Lily. That means a lot.
I was only joking around.
Oh, my ankle.
Oh no, that was my bag. I'm so sorry. I didn't think it would cause this.
I've been careless this whole ride, haven't I?
You still have time to make it right.
Are you okay, ma'am? I'm really sorry.
I'll be all right. Thank you for checking.
Here. Please take my seat.
Thank you, dear. That's very kind.
Look at you, cleaning up and helping.
I want to be more careful from now on.
Have a great day, everyone.
Sorry again for earlier, everyone.
It's okay, Max.
I'll remember to wait my turn and be kind.
Good manners make every ride safer and happier for everyone. Always wait your turn, help others, and keep shared places clean.